A rhombus is graphed on a set of axes below. Which transformation would carry the rhombus onto itself? So first of all, we are going to look at our correct answer choice, which is going to be number 4. It's a reflection over the line x equals 0. Now x equals 0, I'm going to locate x when it's 0 here, is going to be a vertical line that cuts across the x-axis here. And as you can see, if I reflect over this line, it will cut it in half and fold onto itself. So if I fold my paper this way, I can kind of illustrate it. And you can kind of see that this triangle here on the left side maps onto the triangle on the right side. If we were to split this rhombus up into 2 triangles. So it maps directly onto it. The reason why it's not the other ones is because for number 3, it says it's a reflection over the line y equals 0. Y equals 0 is when y equals 0, it's right here. And y equals something is a horizontal line that cuts across the y-axis. So this is when y equals 0. Remember, y equals a number is always going to be a horizontal line. And when I fold my paper this way, you can kind of see that this part does not map exactly onto the top part. So it cannot be 3. And for number 2, of reflection over this line, y equals 1/2 x plus 1 will look like this. We're going to look for when y equals 1 here. I'm going to start here as our y-intercept. And we will go up 1 and to the right 2 because it is a positive slope. So we go up 1 and to the right 2. We're going to follow that pattern. We're going to go down 1 and to the left 2, down 1 and to the left 2, just following this pattern. And we will see that we will have a line of reflection that looks like this. This is for when y equals 1/2 x plus 1. And when we fold our paper this way, we will also see that it is not going to carry the rhombus onto itself because I'm not sure if you can see it, but the rhombus part over here is not going to map directly onto what we have on top over here. So again, when we fold it this way, it is not going to map directly onto this point here. It will go somewhere here. So next, 180 degrees rotation counterclockwise about the origin. If my center of rotation is at the origin, which is 0, 0, then 180 degrees rotation counterclockwise will look like this. I can just turn my paper so you can see. This is 90 degrees counterclockwise and 180 degrees counterclockwise. And so my image will look like this, where the majority of this image is going to be in quadrants 3 and 4. And it's not going to map onto itself because if you see over here, my original image, the pre-image, has the majority of its figure on quadrants 1 and 2. So it cannot also be 1. 4 is the only correct answer choice.